what kinds of animal?
Yeah, there are Ido.
Ido.
But may Lola call it Ayam. So whatever it is, they're so cute, pare. Like, we have...
Different breed like that?
Yeah, different breeds. Like, we do have Shih Tzu. We do have Husky. Oh yeah, pare, we're in DGC right now.
Yeah,
DGC people, where you at?
DGC, let's go.
DGC.
So ito lang talaga pare yung Sunday namin dito sa DGC. It's kind of traffic din.
Kapag Sunday traffic,
Yeah,
pag Domingo,
Sunday katulad din sa ano, katulad sa South, katulad sa may Alabang. Even though it's not Domingo there, it's really traffic, but here in DGC, every Domingo and ano, basta every weekend, Saturday, Domingo, it's traffic pare. So
as in sobrang traffic talaga.
sobrang
Heavy
traffic.
traffic.
Yung parang every time rush hour.
Yeah, every hour is a rush hour pare.
My goodness.
So yeah.
So very busy.
At least dito
din.
sa DGC natin,